As he visited Aisha, may Allah be pleased with her, Sa'd ibn Hisham ibn Amir said, "O mother of the believers, tell me about the character of the Prophet, may Allah's peace and blessings be upon him." She said, "Do you not recite the Quran?" He said, "Yes." She said, "Indeed the Prophet's character was the Quran." Authentic hadith narrated by Muslim within a long hadith. Explanation: the mother of the believers, Aisha, may Allah be pleased with her, was asked about the Prophet's character, and she replied with one comprehensive sentence, referring the questioner to the noble Quran, which comprises all attributes of perfection. She said that the Prophet, may Allah's peace and blessings be upon him, possessed the morals of the Quran. Whatever the Quran commanded him to do or prohibited him from doing, he would comply. So his character was to act upon the Quran, observe its limits, assume its ethics, and take lessons from its parables and stories. Benefits from the hadith: the hadith urges us to follow the Prophet's example in adopting the morals of the Quran. It praises the Prophet's manners and describes them as emanating from divine revelation. The Quran is a source of all noble manners. Morals in Islam pertain to the entire religion by observing its commands and prohibitions.